Good evening, fellow mutters. It's Toyota Matt here. Long day, long night. Well, the planned installation of my quality aftermarket corner lights kind of got sidetracked, but I did install them. But I'm reusing my OEM lamp bases as socket housings because they could be fixed up really nice, and there's a definite quality difference. But I failed to mention something in the tech thread. I like Easter eggs and surprises and happy endings. So here we go. This, I don't think there's a 60 series of any kind globally that has this feature on it. So, but I could be wrong, but I think I'm right. That is JDM yellow, pure yellow. Now that's the front clearance lights with the clear lens. I put a pure yellow, like yellow, like the sun, not amber orange. Now watch this. I'm gonna turn my hazard lights on. See how the orange is on there? That's an amber orange LED. And then you got the, of course, Coyote custom kit, but LED. But let's take a walk. Snow version lamp. So I hope this comes out on the cell phone video, but that's it kind of looks like maybe an off-white, but I guess the iPhone doesn't really get the color spectrum right. That's 4000K pure yellow, and I think you'll see the difference when I engage my hazard flashers, because I have the aftermarket lens is of course the 2-color, and you could see that, you know, the orange and the white, but the reflection when I first started the video really tells the tale, because the siding on my shop is a very light tan, almond. So, oh no, hazard flashers. Okay, here we go. So focus on the differentiation between the lumens. The top is the amber orange. I did use an amber orange LED, same in kind, and it really gives it a real warm, crisp, friendly turn signal light. But the running lights are pure yellow. The only thing that clashes with is my FJ61 bubble lamps on the back, the OEM bubble lamps. But kind of not. It's a running light. It's almost close, but it's not. So that's that. This is intensely bright. I wanna have the brightest snow version. I don't know, I wasn't gonna talk about this, but I'm gonna maybe change my mission statement for the Ghost, and I might come up with a SEMA spec truck, something a one-off, you know, that they go to the SEMA car show, maybe an FJ62. Although I don't have a diesel engine, so I gotta come up with my own model ID code, like FJ63, something different. Of course, it's me, different. So I was gonna wait, but my side markers are the standard factory ones. I took a set of bubble lenses to a reproducer, and I got reproduction red ones made. Not reproduction, actually, because I'm not sure if Toyota ever made a red bubble lens like this, but I've got them in red, and I'll have to determine whether it's a reproduction part or a SEMA spec concept vision part of my own pipe dream. So that is to be determined. But lastly, let's turn the flashers off, because my eyes hurt, man. It's so bright. And let's close the Skunkworks shop door here, and let's see what it looks like from the yellow perspective. I mean, that's the differentiation there. Is look how orange the orange lens is. These lenses are pretty sick. If you look at my the tech thread, the Ghost build thread, I showed the old lenses, the old Coyote ones, and they're all faded out and stuff, and just they were almost white, you know. But okay, off, yellow. Okay, Now watch the amber orange hazard flashers that come on in tandem with the pure yellow running lights. See how it turns yellow? It'd be cool if I could stop the hazard lights, you know? But orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Anyway, I have determined that putting an LED bulb in your turn signal hazard flasher winker lights in the cluster meter, a winker light, that's something somebody told me, is intensely too bright. So I'm gonna edit and adapt to something different. I won't put a filament bulb in. I still want LED, but I've got to tamp it down. And I think I know how to do it by taking a Sharpie pen and simply striking over one diode at a time until it's tamped down. A Sharpie marker is an opaque. Once you do it like twice or three times, it's opaque. So if I shade it down, I'll probably shade it down 50%. But when I'm driving, I wear prescription eyewear and I have astigmatism in one eye. So it's really hard when you see bright flashes at night, and the green is too intense. I can't believe I'm saying that, but it is, unfortunately. And then we got the switch panel, you know. So, but yeah, you know, my cluster meter project, that's a work in progress, because my oil pressure gauge doesn't work with the sending unit wire, the yellow wire with the black stripe. When I bought it, it was grounded out on the frame and it burned up the oil pressure gauge. I put a manual gauge on it when I bought it, but I don't have an active oil pressure gauge. So I got a full cluster in the mail from a really nice mud member, like the whole dash piece with the pods in it and stuff. So I might have to simply re-scroll work the oil pressure gauge, but my blueprinted circuitry board's burned up on the back too. So anyway, sometimes doing it twice, it'll look twice as good. Throw it out.